Can you say that again? Situation 1. Michael calls for a vacation reservation, but his connection is not stable. Ocean Casino Resort, how may I help you?
Good morning. I would like to make a reservation for this summer holiday. Do you have any vacancies?
Yes, sir. We have several rooms available for that particular holiday. May I get your personal information, please? What's your full name?
Michael Potter.
Maybe your connection is bad? I can't hear very well, so can you repeat your name, please?
Oh, sorry. Michael Potter.
So the reservation is under Michael Potter's name. What is your phone number, Mr. Potter?
The phone number is 020-3859-4788.
020-3859-4788. Is that right, Mr. Potter?
Can you say that again? I'm in a noisy place, so I cannot hear clearly.
020-3859-4788. Is this correct?
It's correct, thank you.
Sir, could I get your ID card number?
5412-7512-3412-3456.
Sorry, sir, but it is the number of a bank card, not an identity card.
I really apologize for my bad connection, so I heard wrong. My identity card number is S1234567650100.
Would you like to book a standard room or a deluxe room?
How much is a standard room and a deluxe one?
$120 per day for a standard room and $230 for a deluxe room.
Only $213 for a deluxe room? Can you say it again?
$230 per day.
I want a standard room.
When will you receive the room?
I will receive the room at 2 o'clock on the 26th of July.
How many days are you going to stay in the hotel?
About 4 days and 3 nights.
How many people is the reservation for?
There will be 4 of us.
Would you like a room with 2 twin beds or twin beds and a double bed?
2 twin beds and a double bed, please.
Okay, please confirm your information.
Can you speak up a bit? My line is a little bad.
Yes, sir. Your full name is Michael Potter. Phone number is 020-3859-4788. And your identity card number is S1234567650100. You book a standard room with twin beds and a double bed on July 26th. Are they correct?
They are correct, thank you.
If you have any problems, please contact me via email address oceancasinoresort@gmail.com.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Have a nice day, sir. Goodbye. Situation 2. Sam won the lottery and went home to tell his girlfriend, Sally.
Sally, I have a piece of surprising news for you.
What news?
You really want to hear?
Sure, tell me quickly, baby.
I won the lottery!
Can you repeat what you said? I cannot believe it.
Why?
April Fool's Day.
But I said the truth, I won the lottery.
I don't trust what you say. You're lying.
I swear.
I give you one more chance to tell the truth.
How many times do I have to say it? I won the lottery.
Unbelievable. Which lottery did you buy?
Mega Millions.
Huh? Can you say that again? Mega Millions? I heard that wrong, right?
No, it is the Mega Millions lottery.
The money you can have from the lottery can be up to $2.5 million.
Sally, can you say again the amount of money I can have?
$2.5 million.
Such a lot of money!
Yes, we'll be rich. Situation 3. There is an urgent meeting going on, and the boss asked Jessica to prepare for the meeting.
Jessica, we have an unscheduled meeting for this afternoon.
This afternoon? A little bit urgent.
You're assigned to do some tasks before the meeting. The first thing is inviting all high-level managers for the afternoon meeting. Secondly, please arrange for me all consumers' complaints and leave them on my desk by 11 o'clock. Next, have me check all products launched in this quarter. I need all documents related to those goods for the meeting. Draft selling and buying contracts and send me by 10 o'clock. And bring marketing strategy documents for me, too.
I beg your pardon, sir. Can you repeat the second task onward, please? I didn't keep up with it.
Arrange all consumers' complaints and leave them on my desk.
When do I need to finish this task?
By 11 o'clock.
Sorry, can you say it again? I'm afraid that my line is bad.
By 11 o'clock. Can you hear clearly?
Thanks, sir. What's next I have to do?
Draft selling and buying contracts and send me by 10 o'clock.
With Mapbox Company, right, sir?
Right.
Check all products launched in this quarter and send them to you by 10 a.m.
All right, and bring marketing strategy documents for me. That's all you have to finish with this morning.
I'll do it right now. Situation 4. John won first prize in a speech contest.
Dad, Mom, I've got the surprising news for you. You won't believe it.
What's the news, son?
I won the first prize. Can you imagine that? Are you serious? You must be joking. It's hard to believe, but I'm extremely serious. Really? Can you say again? You said you had won the first prize in the speech contest?
My son, can you repeat it? It's unbelievable.
You don't hear wrong. I did win the first prize. I'm a winner. Oh my gosh, you are the winner.
Darling, can you say one more time? I cannot believe what I heard.
Our son, the first prize, the winner.
Oh, wow. I must say it surprises me.
Congratulations to our son.
You've done a great job.
There's a reward for you, the winner. Dad? Mom? What are you talking about? A reward? Can you repeat it for sure?
We'll reward you for your attempt.
Wow! What a surprise! Thank you so much. Let's have a party with your teammates. Goodbye, son.
I'm so proud of you.
Thanks, Mom and Dad. See you later.
Situation 5. Tiffany will be unable to go out with her friends because of the same exam schedule. She is informing her friends. Hey guys, I've just realized a little bit of a serious problem. How serious?
What problem, Tiffany?
The day we have a trip and I have to sit my final exam are on the same day. Tiffany, can you say that again?
You're kidding, right? Come again?
What date do you have the exam? On June 26th.
Last week you said you would take the final exam at the beginning of July.
No, I just saw the examination schedule. It's exact. If so, we should change the schedule for the trip. I don't get it. Say what? We changed the schedule for you to go with the whole group.
Sounds great. We can move another day. In the middle of July. Is that okay?
Sorry? The middle of July? That's fine.
Okay, so we'll have the trip on July 15th.
Thank you all.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please, subscribe to Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.